Hey, what's up, tribe? So I am in beautiful Victoria, BC right now. I'm here for the next almost 10 days for a work trip, but I thought I would kind of vlog a little bit, right? So in December, I really wanted to do like our own version of Loc'mas, right? So just connecting with you on a more frequent basis. My hope is to try and do like somewhere between 2 and 3 videos a week. We'll see. So while I'm here, I am here for work. I've got a project that we're working on that is opening up soon, that's launching soon. And that's what I'm doing here for the next 8 days. It's gonna be long hours. It's gonna be lots of craziness. But I thought, you know what? It's such a beautiful city. Why not bring my tribe with me, right? So let me show you where I'm staying, okay? So this is the hotel room, right? First thing is the bathroom, where all the magic happens. I really like that they have the body wash and shampoo and conditioner sitting up high like that. I love it because then you just have to like squirt. You don't have to worry about bottles or anything like that. And then here, it's pretty simple, right? Like these are like quartz countertops and that sort of thing. And I really like the lighting here. You've got like the pre-lit mirror in the background. And then of course you've got this so that I can like see all my pores and all of that. Anyway, so this is the bathroom. And then we've got a little closet here. I've got my jacket and my my sweater that I was wearing on the plane, right? Got a little bar fridge. Let's see if there's anything in it. Nope, it's empty. Darn. And then this is the room. So I got the 2 queen beds. I could have done a king and that would have been amazing. But then I thought, you know what? I want a space to be able to sort out my outfits over the course of the next, 10 days or so. I have 4 major events that are happening. So 3 of them are like a little bit more than business casual. And then the other one is like a VIP party that is very schwanky, ice sculptures and all this fun stuff. So I need to be able to map out my outfits. I did a full luggage, you guys, like a full big ass luggage. If I tell you how heavy this thing is, oh my gosh. I've had this luggage for like literally like 20 years. I worked at a luggage store back in like 2000 and I don't know, maybe 2002. And this luggage has carried me through. So in terms of the view, so I love this chair right here. I might do a video from this chair. Yeah, because that's a good look. But you can see around the whole room. I'm definitely going to be working at this desk. I may also do a video from this desk, but definitely going to be working from here. And then here's our view. I'm just going to open the screen here. So here's our view. I'm literally right downtown Victoria, right? You can see the water from here. And there's like a tennis court, I think. Yeah. And this is like the entrance of the hotel, which is great. But on the other side, you can't really see it. You can see like that little white bridge over there. There's like the bridge, and then that right there is literally downtown. And they have like tons of great restaurants and like all of this great stuff over there. So I'm going to be heading there this week as well. The other thing I love, look at the curtains. The other thing I love about being in BC is in Toronto right now, like the temperature is about like somewhere between -5 to -9. And here it's a glorious, balmy, like between 7 and 10 degrees. Hey, I'm winning, right? Like, and I'm like, because I was talking to the cab driver and he was like, oh yeah, it's super cold now, you know, it's really getting cold. And I'm like, man, you ain't got no snow here. You ain't got no snow. You guys don't know how nice you have it right now. That it is December, whatever, and you have no snow on the ground and you're in plus degree temperatures. That's right. Like, look how sunny it was even today. That's not happening in Toronto. Not happening in Toronto, let me tell you that. Anyways, so I'm excited to be here. I will try my best to try and get you guys, you know, chat with you as much as I can while I'm away on the trip. Maybe show you some things that I'm eating, all that fun stuff. Right now, I'm actually going to go down to the club lounge. They have like a great club lounge that has food and yeah, so it's like club lounge access. And so I haven't done this before, so this will be exciting. So it says, yeah, so then they have like a continental breakfast there, Monday to Friday. Then they have hors d'oeuvres at 5:30 to 7:30, and it's on the 3rd floor. And I guess like I've been earning lots of points because I've been traveling a fair bit for work. So I think I've reached whatever tier that is to get like this club lounge access. So I'm like, whoo, yeah, let's go. Anyway, so all that stuff is like free and you don't have to pay extra for it, which is kind of cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go there and work. Yeah, okay. I'll see you guys later. Just want to show you where I'm at.